It's Miss Karina and
Justin.
and we are so excited to talk to our precious people friends today. We have a really cool sensory science project. We're gonna make real dinosaur eggs. So let me show you what you need. First, baking soda, 1 cup of baking soda, and water. That is the essentials. If you only have these 2 things, you can still do it and make it lots of fun. To color it, you can use food coloring. I didn't have food coloring, so I used a little bit of paint. Once you make your dinosaur eggs, then you can hatch them using vinegar. And I colored my vinegar with watercolors, but food coloring works even better. You can get a dropper or a straw or anything to put the vinegar on the egg to hatch it. Now, if for some reason you don't have vinegar and you still want to do this, you can. Just when it's time to hatch it, you can just break it, smash it, do whatever you want, and it'll still be lots of fun.
Or we put in minion.
Yeah, and then you need your little dinosaurs to put inside. If you don't have dinosaurs, you can use any little small toy that would be a surprise. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna make our dough to make the eggs. So we're gonna put in our 1 cup of baking soda. There we go. Okay, and then you need start with 2 teaspoons of water.
I'm gonna put it.
Hold on, I'm not gonna put the whole thing, okay? Because I put a little too much just in case. I'm just gonna put a little bit. You can always add more water if you don't get the right consistency. And I'm gonna put just a drop of paint so that they can be green. Okay, do you wanna mix it up for me?
Yeah.
Go ahead. No, with your hands.
Yeah.
I'll show you. We're gonna make a paste. And it feels really cool. You wanna get in there? Mix it up. Wow, what does that feel like?
Dinner.
Feels like dinner?
Yeah.
What kind of dinner?
Green.
Green dinner. What kind of green dinner are you gonna eat?
Eggs.
Green eggs?
Yeah.
Green eggs and ham?
Yeah.
All right, that's feeling really good. I love it. It feels cool. You can make the eggs ahead of time so your kids can have a surprise when they hatch it. Or you can let your kids make it. You can let your older kids make the eggs and your little ones hatch it. Whatever you want to do, but feeling the baking soda is a really cool sensory experience, okay? So now we have the consistency where it feels like you can mold it. So we're gonna take our dinosaur, get some, and start to mold a shape of an egg. Stick our dinosaur in there.
Look at dinosaurs in it.
Mm-hmm. Can you make an egg?
Egg. I can make an egg on your own. See? It's squished.
Yeah. All right. So there we go. There you have it. There's a little dinosaur inside. Now once you make these, if you want them to harden up like clay or stone, set them aside. Let them harden for at least an hour. This is the one we made earlier. So now it feels like soft rock or clay. All right, you ready? You want to hatch the dinosaur eggs?
Yeah.
So we'll put this aside. We can play with that later. Now we're gonna take our vinegar and hatch the dino egg. So what color should we do first?
Let's do blue.
Okay, so we have, what else? Can you tell me all these colors?
Blue.
Uh-huh.
Red. Yellow.
Do you know them in Spanish?
Yeah.
What are they?
Uno, dos, red, cuatro.
We have rojo, azul, and amarillo. All right, which one are we gonna do first? Blue?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get some, now this is the colored vinegar.
I'm gonna do it.
All right, see if you can put it on that dinosaur egg. Let's see what happens.
Okay, it happened.
What do you think's gonna happen? Whoa, what's it doing?
It's sinking.
It's sinking? Is it getting smaller? Here, do more.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's sizzling up. Isn't that cool?
I know.
All right, should we try another color? Let's try red.
Yeah, I will do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Put it on this one. Let's see what's gonna hatch.
Whoa! It's pink.
Yeah.
Oh, more.
Do more.
Whoa! It's like kind of like green.
All right, let's
Yeah,
get
I'm
some
gonna do it
yellow.
too. I'm gonna do it.
Do it.
On here?
We gotta see what's gonna hatch out of there. We gotta keep going until we find it.
Whoa! We gotta keep finding it.
All right, so let's do some more. Should we do blue?
Yeah. I'm so excited to do it.
Did you get it in your eye?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right, don't rub your eyes with it. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I need paper towel. I need paper towel.
Let me get it. Hold on.
Oh. Mommy, hurry. I can't see anything. What am I pushing? What am I pushing? I can't go back. I'm talking.
Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, don't rub your eyes. If you get vinegar in your eyes, it is gonna burn a little bit. So you might want to get safety goggles.
I'm so wet.
All right, you want to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
All right, we gotta keep. Let's just pour some on. Let's see what happens.
Whoa. I want the red one.
Okay.
Give me.
Whoa.
Yeah, no.
Oh, we found it.
We found
The baby dinosaur.
Let's do it again.
All right, we'll do it again.
Let's do this one.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to keep working on this. We hope you enjoyed this project. Bye. We'll see you again soon. Love you.